Alright guys, it is time for sightseeing in Karachi. This is going to be a fun day. I am with Adil, who is from the Sindh Tourism Board. Want to say hi?
Yes. Hi everyone.
I think he wants to make sure that my screw up of Mohenjo-daro doesn't happen again in Karachi, basically.
Inshallah, it won't happen again. And thank you, Angela, for coming Pakistan. Do watch video and subscribe.
Yes. Okay, but this is my favorite thing. If you've watched my Multan or Bahawalpur videos and you know the Mr. Bean car, you will know what I'm talking about. I guess it's a government vehicle. So in our sightseeing tour of Karachi today, we are in the Mr. Bean car again. I'm so happy to be back in it. I love that thing. All right, guys, let's go explore Karachi. Okay guys, if you are a shopper or need to buy anything, like quite literally anything, the place that you want to visit is the Lighthouse Bazaar or Lighthouse Market. This place is amazing. It's a labyrinth of streets. There's like tiny little, what looks like hallways that you walk down. There are thousands upon thousands of stores here to buy a little bit of whatever you need. There's also street food, which I'm gonna try a bit of, but this is an amazing place to come. It feels like a little bit like you've stepped back in time, but not like an old like Marrakesh bazaar, but it's really fun. So much shopping if you're a shopper, and lots of fun street food. gonna want to stop at. I wasn't sure I wanted to refuel yet, but I found this amazing stall here. And he's whipping up, I don't know, some samosa looking things, but they're not. Hold on. So, like this. Okay, it's really good, but their sauce. Oh, it's nice. I think there's some filled like pastries as well that I'm gonna try. It's very good. Alright guys, on your list is going to be the Kadhi Azam Museum. This is the founder of Pakistan's home. And I'm a little bit confused. Sorry, I'll try to put a link down to Wikipedia, but it was built in the 1800s, but then purchased in like the early 1900s, I think, by the family. Anyway, this is a beautiful historical site that is beloved by everyone in Karachi. There are very set hours here, so when you come, do check the hours that you can come in, because it's only open to the public certain days, certain hours. But it's really beautiful. I wasn't able to shoot video inside the mansion because, well, there's no video or photography, but they've retained the original furniture that was purchased from Delhi, I believe, and brought over. And it's a very beautiful piece of history. You can imagine like what went on in the rooms, and it's lovely, and this house is just beautiful. So do make this one of the stops on your list here in Karachi, guys. All right, and the way into the museum is through this covered walkway with these amazing tiles. It's very fun. Okay guys, when you are in Karachi, one of the things you might want to do is ride a camel on the beach. Now Karachi is famous for its immense, massive, like very wide, long beaches. The sand is just so fine and feels amazing underneath my feet. It would be the perfect place to come for sunset and have a picnic, like a nice moment with your family. But you can just see how many people are here. It is Tuesday in the middle of the day, like 1 p.m. and it's already like quite busy. But this is a really fun thing to do. The camels are super blinged out if that's what you want to do as well. Okay guys, now if you are staying at any one of the 4 of the 5 hotels that I'm recommending to you for Karachi, then you will have seen this building. Hopefully you have one of the rooms with a view of it. It's in a park in the center of like really pretty green grass, and there's trees all around, lots of benches, places to sit. You could have a picnic. But this building is 2 things. It was once a museum that's now being renovated, or it's the start of renovations. Right now the museum portion doesn't have anything in it, but if you ask, will they let you come in and take a look around?
Yes, it's open for public.
Okay.
It's open for public, so anybody who wants to visit, they can come and visit it.
Okay, so you can come and visit it. But there's also a library, and the library is like hella authentic. Like there's students in there studying. It has this like historic feel to it. Like of course you're reading books that have been there for decades, but it's a lovely library. So this is the entrance here for the library. Around the corner is for the museum, but this is lovely. And I did shoot this when I was at the Marriott. I shot the intro to my Marriott video from my terrace with this as the background. So it's nice to finally come down and take a look around. It's definitely worth a visit. Bring some lunch. There's a chai walla guy over there I'm gonna go check out right now. But it was nice. It was really nice. Hey guys, they have chai outside of the museum. I told you I was coming over. It's the cutest damn chai stand I've ever seen. It's like a mini truck, but it's super blinged out like the Pakistani trucks and lorries, and so cute. So he's making chai. He used a knife to scrape down the side. I haven't seen that yet. Good technique. All right, gonna refuel with some chai. Hold on. I think it's almost done. Woo! Okay guys, have the chai.
Angela.
That's nice. It's good.
Your tea everywhere, in every city, I've seen that.
I love it. I'm super addicted.
Most beautiful